Now let's go and create the blog section. You can see that this section has an H2, it has a button, and it has blog articles. So let's see how we can do it. So I will close this works container, and also I will close this welcome section, and here I will add a comment, welcome. So I will know that this is the end of the welcome section. Now let's move to the latest from the blog section or the blog section. So I'll create a section with an ID of blog. It has an H2 which says latest from the blog. It has a call to action container, and it has an anchor element. Visit our blog. Great, so we created this and we created this, so it is here. Now let's go and create these boxes. So for this I will create a container which will hold these boxes. So I will call it articles container, and it has articles. So let's create the first article. You can see that it has the article date, and here let's just use some paragraph. Let's grab this date. Great. Then we have the article title. It has an H3. I will copy this code. Great. Then it has article text, a paragraph, lorem ipsum, and a call to action. Article call to action in our case, or maybe article button, read more. Great. So here is our article. So let's copy the code. Three, 1, 2, and 3. So now we have 4 articles. So article. Great, we have 4 articles. Now let's move to the testimonials section. So here I will do blog. So this is the end of the blog section. Let's create another section, testimonials. Sorry, we need here a section, not a simple container. Section. So here I will create the H2 testimonials, then H3 what's our lines. Great, and here I have a container. Testimonials container. Testimonial. So each one has an image, a paragraph, an H4, and an H5. So image. So here I will go to images, and I will create face. I will choose this image. Great. Then we need a paragraph, lorem. then an H5, and H6, and I will copy the code from here. Let's paste it a second time. Let's choose a different image, this one. So if I go here, you can see that we have the image, which is too big, that we will control in CSS. Now let's move to the footer, which is here. So for the footer, I will use the footer element. This footer has this container, and this container. For the first one, services has an H5, services, and this navigation element. So we create a ally elements for this, and we also need to add anchors. So for and clean up. And the last one, I'll grab it from here. Great. Then another. So grab this. Another paragraph for this number. And another paragraph for the email. Great. And a box for the form, contacts form, which has a form element, and the form has a simple input with the type of email, and placeholder of enter your email, and a submit button with type of submit, which has subscribe. Great. And also another container for the copyright. And let's grab this code. Great.